Welcome to another Toy Slaves training video. Today we'll look at creating and populating the RLV folder. This video was made using Emerald. However, the creation process here works with any of the old style viewers using RLVa. The RLV folder and the folders created in this viewer and in the Second Life default viewer 2.0 and on work in either one. In other words, your folders created here can be accessed from either style viewer. Because the new viewers support multiple attachment points and clothing layers, I recommend stripping between changes to avoid unintended results such as multiple layers of shirts, pants, skirts, etc. The RLV folder is a shared folder. By placing clothing and other items in the folder, you allow your dominant to intimately control your outfits and attachments. It will allow access to the RLV folder only. Our first step will be to add the folder and put a clothing layer outfit inside. Remember, you can pause the video to read long notes or to review an image or menu more closely. So let's begin. First, open your inventory. On the taskbar, left-click Create. Choose New Folder on the drop-down menu, then name the folder $RLV. To make it easier to move items to the folder, we'll open a second inventory window. Go to File on the inventory menu, left-click, and choose New Window. We'll use this second window to search for the outfits we want to add and then drag them to the RLV folder. For your first item, choose a folder containing clothing layers only. Here's one, the Solar Corset. It has a pants layer, gloves layer, sock layer, and jacket layer. Click and drag it to the RLV folder. There, you've successfully created the folder and added an outfit to it. Objects appear in your folders as items with a cube next to them. They differ from clothing layers because they require an attachment point. In most cases, RLV will automatically rename the object, adding the attachment point to the name when you wear it. For this example, we'll use a set of cuffs. The cubes next to them illustrate that they are objects, and because they do not have the modify restriction, we will be able to rename them. Click and drag the cuffs folder to the RLV folder. Now wear the items. You'll see that RLV has added the attachment point and shows them as worn. When you detach them, the attachment point remains in the name. This is RLV automatically renaming the object. No modify items cannot be renamed to add an attachment point like we did with the cuffs. We can, however, handle the object similarly. Wear the object and RLVa will create a folder and place the no modify object in it. This allows RLV to read the attachment point from the folder. It creates a folder for each object, placing only one object in each folder. For this example, we'll choose no modify objects, a pair of shoes. You'll see that the shoes are no modify. Click and drag the shoes folder to the RLV folder. I'm wearing shoes, so first I'll take them off. Now open the new shoes folder and wear the shoes. The shoe shape, don't forget to wear it, is a clothing layer and doesn't need a separate folder. RLV handles these items differently than we saw in the other objects. You'll see that it adds a folder, dot, bracket, left foot. and puts the shoe in it. It does the same with the right foot. When called upon, RLV will read the attachment point from these folders. Finally, we'll deal with a complete outfit. For this example, I've chosen an outfit, Ellen Den's Schoolgirl. It contains clothing layers, objects, and no modify objects. Click and drag your chosen outfit folder to the RLV folder. Because many of the items in my new outfit share a clothing layer or attachment point with my current outfit, I'm going to strip. Now wear each of the items. RLV will deal with the objects as you wear them. In the case of the no modify object, RLV added a folder named dot followed by the attachment point in brackets and put the object in it. Continue on wearing the clothing layers. In the case of the skirt, RLV renamed the object, adding the attachment point pelvis. If you are like me, your folder will be mostly filled with outfits, shoes included. Other folders can be set up and almost any object added to them, all accessible to your dominant, or for that matter, yourself. I hope this video has been useful, and I thank you for watching. The video was filmed at the Toy Slaves Brothel in Second Life, upstairs from the hookah lounge in the Arabian Nights area. Come play with Madame's toys.